Another question I'm commonly asked is, can I still help them even though they're on all these medications? And the answer is yes. There's no limit to what I will address or help people with. So some of the things that I consider when somebody is on medication is, are there any specific nutrient deficiencies that are caused as a byproduct of those medications? And we'll look at that, and we'll look and see if any of their symptoms are associated with some of those deficiencies. Another thing that I consider with medications is if it's something like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, are there other areas that are underlying that we can support that might improve their lipids, that might improve their blood pressure? And sometimes that's the case. And there's things that as we look at the whole picture, we can see, oh yeah, this is affecting your high blood pressure. If we can support this, it might diminish your need for those medications. And that's something that I work in collaboration with the prescribing physician on to see if that's appropriate to start to decrease or even come off some things as well. So I'm very excited to be able to partner with Dr. Ben and Cornerstone Clinics in incorporating functional medicine and holistic medicine, and we are offering 15-minute complimentary consultations. So you can schedule at the front desk, you can call in, and we'll be able to set that up. We'll meet in person either in the office or we'll meet via video conference as well. And during that time, I'll answer any questions that you have. If you need to learn a little bit more about functional medicine and see if it's for you, and also just to get to know each other a little bit and see if we're a good fit for each other moving forward.